Hello everyone. Yeah, today is the 11th of September. And how are you today? Hmm, I don't hear you right now. How are you today? Ah, I still can hear you. But wherever you are, I hope you all are fine. And today is good day because we made a podcast for our final test in collaborative online international learning in business and communication subject. Are you curious now? Okay, welcome to our podcast. Okay, first of all, let me introduce ourselves. We are from group 19, contents of me, Harsandi Trindratma, as moderator here, and the other three will be a speaker. There are Fadil Utama, Somseng Somet, and Keo Kim Hauer. And this topic, and our topic is freedom of speech and its impact on social media. And nowadays, freedom of speech is becoming one of the most important need in our life. We need to express ourselves freely and kindly without any persuasion from other side. One of the example of freedom of speech is review. Before we choose to buy some product, we usually look for the review from others. And the review is a judgment or discussion of quality of something. Review is also the implementation of freedom of speech. Not just that, freedom of speech have more impact, including positive impact and negative impact. And we will discuss about it on this podcast. Okay, next. Okay, now we go to the main podcast. How do you think about freedom of speech?
Okay. Hello again. I think freedom of speech is broadly understood as the notion that every person has the natural right to freely express themselves through any media and frontier without outside interference, such as censorship, and without fear of rep- reprisal, such as street and uh, persecution.
Okay, thanks, Som. And how about you, Fadil? You agree with that?
Yeah. I agree with some. The freedom of speech mean the right to express one conviction and opinion freely by word of mouth, writing, printing, picture, or any other mode. It also includes the right to propagate or publish the view of other people.
Okay. So you guys think that freedom of speech is the way to express your opinion freely through any media or any method. Is that right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay. We go to the next question. Do you guys using social media platform? And if you use any social media, can you tell me what social media you use?
Yeah, I use many social media like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube, and also I use WhatsApp too. And how about you, Fadil?
Yeah, thanks. Some I use Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and YouTube also like you.
Okay. So you guys use Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and Instagram, yeah. And I wanna ask, why you guys use that social media? Is it for entertain yourself, or is there any reason why you use it?
Okay, Hasandi. So I use it to entertain myself. I find many fun on the social media, and I also can learn many new things from it. so I can get many more information, also like the latest news of the event, etc. From the social media. I can also get a review of some products from many people, especially the user like the latest gadget or food, so I can decide however I wanted to try it or not.
Yeah. Some from me no different. Social media give me a lot of entertainment, especially from Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube. I find many comedy and meme from those platforms. From Twitter, I get the latest world news, and so many tips and tricks I learned from that platform, like how to react with this and the situation. Uh, the example is how to do interview and etc. Yeah, the review is also the best result of using social media. We can now the experience of other people in some situation like taking this or those major in university, experience using this product, experience eating this food, and many more.
Oh, I see, I see. So many things you can get from social media, yeah. And besides to get information and entertainment, you guys also seek for other experience before decide to buy something?
Yeah,
Like review matter.
yeah. Of
Of
course, I
course.
will buy product with good review and skip the bad one.
Okay, okay. So we go to the next about connection. So after you guys using social media, do you guys feel that you can express yourself freely on social media?
Yeah. In social media, I can express myself freely. It's the benefit using the social media.
Okay, how about you, Fadil?
Yeah, no different from some. We can get, but yeah, no different from some. But the impact of freedom of speech, we also need to put some caution for our words, because we are not the only one who have the freedom of speech. We cannot speak bad easily to the other. There is still consequences of any action we take.
Okay, okay. I see, I see. So there's freedom of speech, but there's also consequence of any action, even it's called freedom. So keep careful on express yourself, ya guys, ya.
Okay.
Okay. So the next is what impact. So how do you think about the impact?
Okay. In the social media, we can get many opinions from people, the review of some products, the action from the to react from latest event, etc.
Okay. So about you, what about you, Fadil? Do you think about
Yeah,
the impact?
you can get many insight from social media. Can get many information before decide to choose or buy something. The one of the biggest impact on social media is like one bad review on social media can make one store or style bankrupt. It's the spooky side of review on social media, but not only the spooky side, the good side is many style can be viral because of the social media. It can get known by the others if the promotion is done well by the viewer.
Okay, I got it. So you have more, do you think you have more thing about the impact or just like that? Maybe some?
How about you, Sam?
Okay, so just my opinion, freedom of speech in the form of interaction in the media social can be expanded knowledge, but the negative content like clubbing, free sex, drugs, inappropriate clothes, profanify, and so on can redo the norm of the ethic of the next generation, especially the younger generation than us.
I got it. That's what I want to know. So social media have many impact to our life now, especially our decision to choose product. Okay, guys, thanks a lot from you guys' point of view. And we will closing this. I will tell you what about our discussion. Freedom of speech on social media has many impact on our life. It gives us many new information, so we can get many review from other experience. It gives us many opinions, so we can decide to buy the product or not. And they are not only positive impacts, but also negative impacts that need to be avoided. thanks for watching our podcast. See you in the next podcast. Bye.
Bye. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Thank you.